In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use user groups on Slack Complete 2026 Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a user group so you can notify the right people with a single mention and keep your conversations organized. First, open Slack and head to the home view of your workspace. This is your starting point and the hub for everything you'll do next. Next, open directories. This is where Slack keeps the people and groups directory for your workspace. If you don't immediately spot it in the sidebar, it may be grouped with other navigation items depending on your layout or admin settings. The directory is the best place to manage anything related to teams and groups because it's searchable and consistent across the workspace. Inside the directory, choose User Groups. This section is dedicated to collections of people you can mention all at once, like a department, a project squad, or an on-call rotation. It's perfect for cutting down on repetitive tagging and making sure updates reach exactly who needs them. Select Create User Group. This opens the setup form where you'll define how the group looks and how it will be used. Start by entering a clear, descriptive group name. Pick something that explains the purpose at a glance, like marketing leadership or mobile app team. Keep it simple and avoid private or time-sensitive details so the name stays accurate over time. A good name helps teammates quickly recognize when to use the group. Then enter the handle. This is the @mention you'll type in Slack to notify the group. Keep it short, readable, and unique, such as @mktgleads or @mobileapp. Handles are lowercase and typically avoid spaces or special characters, which makes them easier to remember and faster to type. Next, specify the channels. Choose the channels where this group should be available or most relevant. Limiting a group to the channels where it actually operates helps reduce noise and ensures mentions only reach people in the right places. If your workspace allows, this also controls where the group can be mentioned, keeping communication focused. When you're happy with the details, click Next. Slack will guide you through confirming the setup. Once created, using the group is simple. In any relevant channel, type the @handle, write your message, and send. Everyone in that group will be notified at once, which is great for announcements, handoffs, and urgent updates. That's it. You've created a user group, set its handle, aligned it with the right channels, and you're ready to use it for faster, cleaner communication.